Hey guys, it is Reagan, or Ursus37, as you might know. Hopefully you can see me. I can't flip my camera on this phone, so sorry. But today I'm going to do a pet sort of show thingy. So let's get straight into it. Okay. So we have some chickens. Here's my beautiful puppy dog Ruger. He's a black lab and he's turning 3 in May. So yeah. And then we got some chickens. We have 11 chickens. And back into the garage. We're walking. Oh, whoa, I almost fell. We have that cat. We have cats. So, and then we are planning on getting bunnies as well. We have quite a few cats. We have 10 chickens. I might have already said that, but sorry if I did. So now we're walking out to my horse. She is I think she's 15. She's a 15-year-old Montana Traveler, and she's a mare, and her name is Dakota. And yes, I will be doing a lot more videos with her. Look at that pretty horsey. She's 15.3 hands. So she's pretty big. Big mare. She isn't fully broke, but I ride her bareback. So she's saddle broke, so I think that's sort of why. But I'm going to be doing some grooming stuff and fun things like that. I've already groomed her today, but yeah. Hey, pretty girl. How you doing? Come here. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Hey, you're okay. Yeah, so that's my horsey. She's pretty sweet, unless she's having a bad mare day. So, more videos coming out with her. And there's my puppy dog again. Ruger, don't go to Mike's. Oh, okay. Now, I'm going to show you. Hi, bugs. Yeah. So now, we're still walking. And I do ride Western, by the way. So you'll be seeing some Western stuff on here. We're still walking. There's the chicken coop. That's the chicken coop. But before we get bunnies, we need to get the chicks out of the house. So I'm going to go show you the chicks. We have 8 chicks. We have an olive egger, an Easter egger, prairie bluebell eggers, 2 of them, and then we have 4 golden Wyandottes, which are the ones that we have out there. But so hopefully you can see. It's a bit blurry, but there's the chicks. And yeah, so let me go back outside because my mom's on a phone call. So please like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.